Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Notes and creating a new note immediately. Tap the New Note button, type a clear title first so you can find it later. Once done, add a quick line or bullet using the toolbar. You'll see formatting options like bold, lists, and checkboxes. Make sure to enable iCloud Sync in settings so your notes update across devices. This step keeps content backed up and searchable, which saves time when you need that note later. Now organize and format the content to make notes useful. Move the note into a folder after tapping the folder's button so similar topics stay together. Use the formatting bar to add headings or checkboxes. Headings help scanning and checklists track tasks. Tap the camera icon to add a photo, scan a document, or insert a sketch. These attachments make the note richer. Once formatted, swipe left on a note to pin or lock it. Finish by sharing and ensuring you can find the note later. Tap the share button to send a copy or choose Add People to collaborate. Collaborators can edit in real time. Use the search bar to find text, attachments, or scan documents. Notes does OCR so typed searches pull up images with text. If syncing fails, check iCloud status, your network, and available storage. Try toggling notes in iCloud off and on to force a resync as a common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.